Did you get that?
That was in the way.
Do it again. Now so close to his fingers.
Going backwards at full speed. He's doing a good job going backwards. Look at that. Butts up. Look at that. He's ready. He's ready.
Forward.
Yay! I believe we caught his very first crawl on camera. Oh, good job. Oh, yeah, that you swear that was on purpose. Now, let him get it next time he goes forward, so he sees that there's a benefit here. Good job. Oh! Yay! You did good. You did good. You did a nose plant, Aiden.
Woohoo!
Aiden did his first nose plant.
Okay.
We're gonna put that on YouTube for you.
Now back him up a little bit. Back him up a little bit, Mom. Come on. There we go. Okay, now not too close to him, but there you go.
Oh, look at that first try. Look at that. Oh, comfort him, comfort him.
No, just
Wow.
good
I
boy.
love you.
Now do the little toy.
We don't want him to be afraid. Get a soft toy for him.
He's not afraid.
He's nosing down hard.
Yeah, he bonked his head.
Yeah, so get a soft toy for him.
Because soft toys don't make popping sounds, Dad.
All right.
Just don't put it within face launches.
He's launching a good foot here.
Aiden, you're awesome.
Look at you, good boy. Look at you.
Look at his face. He's like,
Well,
no, it's
give him
not.
the damn toy. Let him have a toy for a minute.
Okay.
Not that many.
He's like, huh?
Move the ladybug backwards just a little bit. Now go towards him. Then go.
There you go. That's what. Give him a second with the toy. There you go. Aw. He's tired, but he had a big day.
Come here, little man.
He really did bop his nose a good one.